General knowledge, Indian geography, Gangetic Basin, and North Indian River Plain. What do you mean by Ganga Basin? The Ganga Basin is a part of the Ganga's Brahmaputra Basin, draining 10,86,000 square kilometers in Tibet, Nepal, India, and Bangladesh. Several tributaries rise inside Tibet before flowing south through Nepal. The basin has a population of more than 500 million, making it the most populated river basin in the world. Where is Gangetic Plain located? The Indo-Gangetic Plain, also known as the Indus-Ganga Plain and the North Indian River Plain, is a 2.5 million kilometers square fertile plain encompassing northern regions of the Indian subcontinent, including most of the northern and eastern India, the eastern parts of Pakistan, virtually all of Bangladesh. How many states are there in Gangetic Plain? Seven states, more than 480 million people, or about 40% of India's population, reside in the seven states and union territories comprising the bulk of the Indo Gangetic Plain region of North India, namely Bihar, Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Why is the Gangetic Plain important? Why is the Gangetic Plain so important? It is important because of its world's largest alluvial plain, an area of fertile soil deposited by river flood waters. It is also India's most densely populated area. The Brahmaputra River forms a broad delta as it joins the Gangas in Bangladesh. Where are the northern plains located? The northern plains are an important physical division of India. It is also known as Indo-Gangetic Plains. The northern plains are situated to the south of the Himalayas. It is formed by the silt deposited by the Himalayas and its tributaries. These plains are the largest alluvial tract in the world. Which is the largest delta in the world? Ganga's delta. The Envisat image highlights the Ganga's delta, the world's largest delta in the South Asia area, Bangladesh, and India. The delta plain, about 350 kilometers wide along the Bay of Bengal, is formed by the confluence of the river Gangas, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers. What are the divisions of Indo-Gangetic Plains? Regional divisions of the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plains that are Great Plains, Sindh Plain, Rajasthan Plain, Punjab Plain, Ganga Plain, Brahmaputra Plain, Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. How Indo-Gangetic Plains are formed? The Indo-Gangetic Plain came into existence by the filling up of the sediments from the Himalayas and partly from the northern peninsular India in the four deep basin in front of the rising Shivalik ranges. Basin was transformed later into vast plains filled by the quaternary alluvium. Why Indo-Gangetic Plain is fertile? The Indo-Gangetic Plain, it is irrigated by three important rivers, the Gangas, Indus, and Brahmaputra. This vast plain is most fertile and productive because of the alluvial soil brought by the streams of the rivers and its tributaries. Which states fall on Ganga Basin in India? About 79% area of the Ganga Basin is in India. The basin covers 11 states, visualizing Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and Delhi. Why is Ganga River important? The significance of the Gangas River. Aside from providing drinking water and irrigation fields, the Gangas River is extremely important to India's Hindu population for religious reasons as well. The Gangas River is considered their most sacred river and it is worshipped as the goddess Ganga Ma or Mother Gangas. Why is the Ganga Basin densely populated? The Ganga plain is mainly made of fertile alluvial soil, which has resulted in increased agricultural activities. Thus, fertile soil, presence of many rivers, favorable climate, and the availability of flat terrain have made this region one of the most densely populated areas of the world, which is the largest tributary of Ganga. Karnali, the Gagra, that is Karnali, with its average annual flow of about 2,991 meter cube per second, is the largest tributary of the Gangas by discharge. What is Indo-Gangetic Divide? The Indo-Gangetic Divide, the area between the delta of the rivers Indus and Ganga, especially the narrow region between the rivers Satluj and Yamuna, is a transitional belt that marks the great divide between not only two great river systems but also between climatic and biogeographical limits. Which of the following is not a tributary of the Ganga? Options given: A. Yamuna, B. Sun River, C. Gomati, D. Satluj. Answer option D. Satluj River. Explanation: Satluj is not a tributary of the Ganga. It is the easternmost tributary of the Indus River. The waters of the Satluj are allocated to India under the Indus Waters Treaty between India and Pakistan and are mostly diverted to irrigation canals in India. Is there any dam on Ganga River? There are two major dams on the Ganga. The other dam is a serious hydroelectric affair at Farakka, close to the point where the main flow of the river enters Bangladesh, and the tributary Hooghly, also known as Bhagirathi, continues in the West Bengal past Calcutta. What is Ganga called in Bangladesh? The Ganges River originates in the Tibetan Himalayas. The river flows through the northern India and enters Bangladesh, where it becomes the Padma River. Once the Padma reaches the center of Bangladesh, it joins with the Brahmaputra or Jamuna, as it is known in Bangladesh, where the two join and form the Meghna River. Which factors led to the emergence of towns in Gangetic Plains? The religion played an important role in the urbanization in the Gangetic Plain. In the 6th century BC, people had worship places in only a few places. There used to be big gathering with people coming from distant places. Gradually, these religious places saw the emergence of towns. Which is India's national river? Ganga River. The Ganga or Gangas is the longest river of India, flowing over 2,510 kilometers of mountains, valleys, and plains. It originates in the snowfields of the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas as the Bhagirathi River. How many rivers meet in Ganga? Two rivers. Therefore, we can say that the important tributaries of river Gangas are Bhagirathi and Alkananda. When these two rivers meet in Devaprayaga, sacred river Ganga is formed, and this place is famous as Devaprayag Sangam. Where does Ganga River ends its journey? Sagar Island. Where the Gangas meets the sea, a journey ends. Our Ganga's journey ends on Sagar Island, where the river meets the sea. Once a year, millions of Hindus come here to worship the river and to toss coins into its waters. It is a spot where the income gap between rural and urban India is evident. Where does Ganga River start and end? The 2,704 kilometers river originates from the Gangotri Glacier of Western Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and flows south and east through the Gangetic Plain of India and Bangladesh, eventually emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Ganga is a lifetime to millions who live along its course. Which city is located on River Ganga? The important cities and towns situated on the banks of the Ganga are Haridwar, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Bhagalpur. The Ganga has a special place in the psyche of the Indian people as being the most sacred of all Indian rivers, which is called the national river of India. The Ganga is the longest river of India, flowing over 2,510 kilometers of mountains, valleys, and plains. It originates in the snowfields of the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas as the Bhagirathi River, which is the world's largest delta, Ganga Delta. This NVSAT image highlights the Ganga's delta, the world's largest delta in the South Asia of Bangladesh. It is visible and India. The delta plain about 350 kilometers wide along the Bay of Bengal is formed by the confluence of the rivers Ganga, the Brahmaputra and Meghna river. What is the history of Ganga river? The 2,704 kilometers river originates from the Gangotri Glacier of Western Himalaya in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and flows south and east through Gangetic plains of India and Bangladesh, eventually emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Ganga River is a lifeline to millions of people who live along its course. Why is Ganga Basin called the food bowl of India? The delta is the land to many food grains like rice, wheat, maize, pulses, etc. The soil is very fertile, composed of alluvial soil, which is the best soil for the growth of crops. Due to all the above mentioned reasons, Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is called food bowl of India. What are the favorable conditions for agriculture in Gangetic Plain area? Over 60% of the cultivated land is irrigated. The subzone receives 1460 mm of rains. The soil is deltaic alluvial and the climate is per humid to humid. Cropping intensity is reasonably high at 139 given that the main crop is rice. Agriculture is a chief economic activity in Ganga Brahmaputra Valley because it has most fertile soil, that is alluvial soil, and most favorable conditions for crops. Example: wheat, maize, sugarcane, millets, jute, sorghum, and gram.